I'm going to show you how to connect to a remote computer in Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up the Parsec app and then go to the settings. And from the client side here, scroll down and make sure that you're using a GPU decoder. So for example, NVIDIA here. And then on the remote device, you want to go to the host tab and make sure hosting is set to enabled from this tab here. And also adjust the bandwidth limit to a decent value like 25. Now to join it, you want to go back to the computers tab and copy this URL from the remote device, the other one that you want to join. Or you can add it as a friend by clicking on add friend and searching for their name or ID. And once you add them as a friend, you can right click and join them, or you can use this URL and paste it at the bottom right here, and then simply press the join button, and this should join the remote device, and then you can start the session seeing their screen, audio and all of that stuff. And on the remote computer, if you want to end the sharing, you can press the stop sharing button here. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.